Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve KB5058405 Windows update failed to install in Windows 11 computer. So Windows update failures can break the cycle of keeping your system safe and up to date, typically leaving users with no options but to be unable to finish installations of patches or new features. Such failures might happen due to faulty files, lack of disk space, or disruptions from third-party software. Manifesting in error codes for installations installs. The failure to install KB5058405 can be due to several issues, and the common reasons include update cache in the software distribution folder, third-party antivirus and drivers issues, and then I'll show you numerous solutions to resolve KB5058405. So all you have to do is to check relevant services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run. And then pop-ups this run. So here inbox, and then we need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc and then click OK. And then once you open up the services and services local, but before to proceed, and then we need to modify those services, then check if it is already running or not. If the services is not running, then open properties and then modify. Alright, so in the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this background intelligent transfer service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check this service if already running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to click this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after completing the process, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this cryptographic services. Then you need to scroll down and then select this cryptographic service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to click restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and then the last services that we need to modify is to find and locate this Windows update services, and then you need to scroll down and then select Windows update. So same procedure, select and then right click. And then you need to select this restart because this service is already running, and then click. And then wait to complete the restart process. And then after completing those services, and then we need to close this services.msc. And the next solution that we're going to do is to run the SFC and the semi-scan. So all you have to do is to click again on start menu and then here at search for apps. And then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then we need to enter this command keyword sfc space /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. And beginning verifications phase of system scan, so here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete, and the next command keyword that we need to enter. So just copy this command keyword dsm space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command keyword. And then we need to paste in here. Use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. and the restore operations completed successfully. And then after here at a CMD, and then we need to close, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out the latest for Windows tutorial. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.